Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Marvel intro in CapCut. We will begin by preparing all the necessary visual and audio components. Next, I will guide you through the precise editing steps within CapCut, covering everything from importing your assets to applying dynamic animations. Finally, we will add the finishing touches and export your impressive new intro, ready to enhance your videos. This process is straightforward and yields fantastic results. Before diving into CapCut, gathering your assets is crucial for a smooth workflow. You will need a clear Marvel Studios logo, preferably with a transparent background, to overlay onto your footage. A cosmic or starry background image will set the perfect scene. Don't forget the iconic Marvel intro sound effect. It truly brings the whole sequence to life. Having these elements ready saves significant time during the editing process. Now, let's open CapCut and begin building our intro. First, import your background image into the main track. Then, add your Marvel Studios logo as an overlay, placing it above the background. Carefully adjust its size and position to achieve the desired visual balance. Next, apply a subtle fade-in animation to the logo, making it appear smoothly over approximately 1 second. This creates a professional and engaging opening. To finalize your Marvel intro, synchronize the iconic sound effect precisely with the logo's animation. Consider adding a slight camera shake effect to enhance the dramatic impact, making the intro feel more powerful. Play through the entire sequence multiple times to ensure perfect timing and a seamless visual flow. Once you are completely satisfied, export your video in high definition, such as 1080 pixels, to maintain excellent quality for all your projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.